Hello, this is Ria. Today we are going to see as a partner how you can create an instance for your users and how you can check of your current customer pending renewal or a pending implementation ticket, or you want to check whether your user is active or inactive. So how can you check it from the partner portal? So let's get started and let's see how you can log in from the partner portal. There are two things you should remember whenever you want to use Partner Portal. Firstly, you should have your login details, your user ID and password, which will be provided by our cloud team. And the second thing, you must have your two-factor authenticator on your mobile phone. Generally, we recommend Google Authenticator. So let's see how can you log in now. So open your URL, put your user ID and password. Over here, you can see the two-factor authentication. Over here, it is asking for you to scan a QR code. The application that you have downloaded, the Google Authenticator, from there you have to scan this QR code. Now scan this QR code and you can see a code will start getting generated. You have to put this code and click on the verify button. Here you can see as a partner your dashboard will be visible over here. Now, there are three things that you should remember. Wherever a new customer comes, you have to create their account first. After that, we will create their contact and their opportunity. Let's see how can you do it. Firstly, create your customer's account. So we will open this in a new tab. Over here in account name, you have to mention the customer's account name. What is their company name? Let's take for demo Shugam Industries. In industry, you have to mention from which industry they belong. If they are e-commerce, you can select e-commerce. IT tele partner, you can select tele IT partner. Or if there are no industry mentioned, you can also select others. Over here, you have to mention your company name. As a partner, what is your company name? In member of, you will mention that. So, I will mention Anxiety and you can save it. You can see their account is created. Now, to create their context or opportunity, you just have to scroll down. You can see the second is contacts. When you click on this arrow, the contact name will be visible. Now, you will click on create button. From here, we will make the customer's contact. Here, you have to put their first name, last name, and their account name will be visible automatically. Over here, you have to mention their email ID. Here, you will mention their phone number. What is the hierarchy? Like if they are boss, you will select boss. If they are sales manager, you can select sales manager. Let's suppose we will take the boss privator and here you have to mention what is the designation. We will enter owner and we will save it. That's how you can create your contact on Partner Portal. And now we will see how can you create an opportunity on Partner Portal. You simply have to click on create button. Here you can see opportunity name. Here you have to mention Teleon Cloud one user. The account name will be visible automatically. Below that you can see quantity number of users. Over here you have to select how many number of users you want to purchase. So we will select one. And now for one user, how much in amount you have to mention what is your lending cost. For one user, if you are providing us 3,000, so you will put that. So if you are not aware of the pricing, do not worry. You can directly contact to our sales team. They will help you out. And you can see opportunity type over here. You have to select new for the new customer. We will scroll down. You can see sales stage over here. From sales stage, you have to change it to the close one because we are going to create the instance for the customer. We are going to create the server. So we will select close one and you will see a pop-up over here. You can see one URL and user ID will be visible automatically. But if you want to change it, you can change it from here. You can see server selection over here. You have to select one server. As a partner, you have to put your email ID over here. So whichever the credential we are making, it will go to your email ID. Over here, you can see available company is visible. Available company means that you have left 22 companies to be made. You can create more 22 profiles over here. It is mentioning that. And if your customer is using two versions of Tally, you can also create two tallies from here. You just have to select another Tally which they are using and you can save it. When you have saved your credential, here you have to select for how many subscription prior they have purchased from you. They have purchased for 1 year, you can select 1 year. And below close one, you can see expected close date. Here you have to select the date where the customer has confirmed the order from you. Now we can save this opportunity. So now we have created account, we have created contacts, and we have also made opportunities. Now we are going to see if the credential that we have made has come to our email or not. Go to the email. Here you can see you have received a mail from Sangam CRM team. You just have to click on this email. Your Shugam Tally users credential are visible. So that's it. That's how you can create an instance, or we can say you can create a server for your customer directly from the partner portal. Thank you.